like nowhere to go. Like nowhere. Like they ain't just like they ain't nothing. I know, but I ain't got nowhere to go. I don't even know what else to do. Fort Wayne. I don't got no, it's right there though. I know that, I ain't saying we can't do anything, I'm saying I know it's something that we can do. Cause I'm right here, they ain't left yet. That's what I'm saying. I don't have anything. I don't have nothing. I don't know nobody here. It was a concert, something, I don't know. They didn't give me the right time. I can't do myself.
And we need the safety information card for Fred for Alpha 18. We're all out of those, our 200 slots, still on another aircraft. Opportunity, ma'am.
You ain't want to. Cause I'm gonna be stuck at the airport for like, what, 4 or 5 days? I don't know, bro. Don't call that motherfucker up. Bro. Man, I know you're me. You just look at me. Bro. Bro, I got a flight on that plane, bro. Call that motherfucker and stuff and tell them what I want. Bro, you ain't ready. Bro, you ain't ready.